Hi everyone. So in this video, I will show you how you can create and format effective pie charts in Power BI. Pie charts are one of the most popular ways to visualize proportions or percentages. So let's get started. In our Power BI report, I will go to the visualization pane and click on pie charts. Now let's add the fields. For legends, I will add status, and for values, project ID. Here we'll say count. Yeah, it's fine. And we will rename this is project ID. If I hover over it, you will be able to see status and project ID, and the total is showing as 6. We can also add more legends to it. For example, let's add location to the tooltips. And here we will say count distinct. I will rename it as location. Now if I hover over it, you can see the status done has 6 projects and 4 locations. If I click on this, it will drill through, and you can see the locations: Chicago, New York, San Francisco, and Seattle. Now let's move forward and format the visual. I click on format your visual. In the legends, you can define the position: top left, center right, bottom left. Let's make it, or we can make it center left. In the text, you can define the text. You can change the color. I'll leave it as it is. You can also set the title, which is here the status, or you can just remove it. In the slices, we can change the color. For example, the done can be green. We can put on track as light green. In progress can go yellow. On hold can go a different shade of gray. And delayed can be red. In the details, you can set the details. These are the details where it should be. I'll keep it as outside. And in the labels, let's say we can put category and data value. Now you can see done 6. Or you can put all details label, which will show done 6 and 33% of the total value. Now, in general, let's just change the title. We will put it as status. Text color can be, we'll put the text background as gray and text color as white. We'll bring it between, and we can. Now you can see how we have created a pie chart. Just make sure that when you are using pie chart, just limit the slices to 5 or less, otherwise it will be difficult to interpret. Also, if there are any null or missing values, it will cause errors, so make sure that you clean your data in Power Query Editor. So that's it for this video. Keep watching for more. Thank you.